Hello everyone. As you can see, the front end is taken apart. That will be another video, probably next week's video. I ran out of time. I was taking the whole body off the truck, but it started to get cold again, and it's going to take quite a bit more work to get it fully off. So this week's video, we also have already filmed, but it's straightening the truck bed. A tree had fell on it from what I heard from the guy who I bought it from. A tree fell on it I think in the 90s and crushed both sides of the truck bed. It's already fixed, so I'm going to insert some shots and footage now. The bed is kind of crushed on the other side, but we're going to try and straighten it out. Tailgate works. The frame is mostly there. It's missing in a couple spots, but this thing's going to be fully body off the frame. Yeah, it was pretty bad. So after all that, we went and we took John's excavator and we did a whole bunch of, it's not even that sketchy, but kind of sketchy shit. But we managed to get it like straight enough that I'm not worried about finding a new bed until I go like full showiness afterwards. Cause like I'm going to get it running, get it driving, and be like a grody farm truck. And then after that, it's going to go super nice. So here's the footage of us fucking around for a while.
It was at this point where we decided it was not quite working the way we wanted to. We got a good portion of it out, but needed to come up with a bit of a different game plan. And unfortunately, we were running out of time. The rest of the clips, I think, are all pretty dark.
More. A little bit. Yeah, there you go. We got to go a little bit more to go past so it bounces back. Yeah. I think we need to go a little bit more. Yeah, more. little bit more. Nice. Okay, bring it, the boom out like forward. Yeah, out like that, and then whole thing down. Pull the bucket in. A little bit more. Yeah, keep going. I'm gonna put a piece of wood in it. Okay, bring it, just go back down until, yeah, perfect.
Wood, I think, is right here somewhere.
Posterity's sake. Okay. Now just bucket out. I think you might be on the right spot. Yeah. Actually bucket in a little bit. Okay, bucket out. Slowly. Okay. Now go.
Good there?
Yeah, just keep going, bucket out. It's almost straight right now, but it needs to go past.
Okay. More?
Yeah. Okay. That was. Okay. Just come here.
Get out.
Yeah, come look. Yeah. So after that, this is what we got left. So this was only a little bit kinked, but it is so very straight. Crazy how straight we got it. Like, there's still a little bit of a kink in it, but I'm not worried. And then this was the really bad side. The edge of this was pretty much touching down here. Like the tree had hit this down and then crushed this as well. So it turned out pretty good. Yeah. There's still a little bow in it, but like I said, it's just half of this bed's getting cut out anyway because I'm going to have all the G35 suspension in here and everything. So yeah, I am wildly impressed. We were both blown away. We couldn't believe that we did that with an excavator. So yeah, next week's video is going to be taking the truck bed and the cab off. I'm probably going to get to it this coming week for myself, and then the following week we'll be back to some Forester stuff. I'm super excited. I'm starting to work with a big company, and I've got to go pick up some parts from them, and then we'll be doing a timing belt on the Forester. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.